on the gate. And they're off. It's a pretty good start. The favorite Exit zips out for the lead, but Bronterre wants the lead. And Bronterre and Exit, these two will spar for the early lead as Exit will deny Bronterre the rail early on. It's Big Lucky who's in third, spying on the speed about 2.5 lengths off the pace, and a similar margin to the gray, Notoriety, who's at the tail of the field. It's Bronterre and Orlando Mojica on the engine, leading by a half length over Exit and Malcolm Franklin, who concedes the lead in second. Big Lucky and Leandro Gonçalves in the clear in third, only about a length and a half off the lead, as Big Lucky wants to go on, and then a space of about 3 to the gray, Notoriety. The first quarter mile timed in 23 3/5. Exit probing up the inside, countering Bronterre. And it's Exit and Bronterre on even terms with about 3.5 furlongs to go. Big Lucky is on the outside in third, a length off the lead, and Notoriety starting to draw closer, only 3 lengths off the lead as all of a sudden Bronterre dropping through the field. 2.5 furlongs to go. The chalk, Exit, taken on by Big Lucky. Notoriety's on the outside. Notoriety's only a length off the lead and goes to the extreme outside as they turn into the stretch. And it's Exit and Big Lucky who are first and second. Notoriety's on the outside in third, but still about 3 lengths off the lead. A final furlong to go, and Big Lucky takes over. It's Big Lucky who leads by about 2.5 lengths. And it will be Big Lucky. Give Gonçalves a riding double on the night.